We care about the health of cows and what they eat. We are always very attentive to the health of the animals who live on our farm, and we care about well-being so that our cows are increasingly inclined to supply us their precious milk in large quantities and live for long years in good health. For this reason, the environments in which they live are spacious, airy, comfortable, and clean. Furthermore, the forage we supply them is totally our organic production made up of over 460 varieties of plants essential for the most precious varieties of alfalfa. The milk every morning is evaluated by the master dairyman, testing daily for the presence of chemicals inside. The whey that is used every day to trigger the natural fermentation process in the cheese is also analyzed every day to verify the degree of acidity. The cooking of the milk according to the recipe of the Benedictine Cistercian friars about 1000 years ago is done by introducing the whey, the rennet, and heating it with increasing temperatures at each step. After about 45 minutes from the breaking of the curd, the cheese mass obtained by depositing the curd grains on the bottom of the boiler is raised and made to float in the whey. The cheesy mass is collected in a piece of linen and subsequently divided in two to form that are called twins. The cheese mass is forced into molds first of Teflon and then of steel in order to shape it and allow the whey still present inside to be urged. At this stage of the processing, the shape is given a real identity by applying a casein plate made up of an alphanumeric code readable with the data matrix technology on the plate of the shape itself. On the fourth day of life, the form is immersed in a solution of water saturated with salt, where it is stay for about 18 days. When the whale has about 21 to 22 days, it is deposited in a seasoning warehouse conditioned both in terms of temperature and humidity on chestnut wood boards, where it will rest looked after by the employees of the dairy who will clean it and turn it at least 2 times a week for another 2, 3, 6.8 years. At the end of the age, more or less, the experts of the Protection Consortium check the quality of each single shape using a special hammer. The expert of the Protection Consortium, after quality control, will put the brand in focus on the forms of Parmigiano Reggiano, considered perfect in order to be awarded the title King of Cheeses. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.